Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I'm in my office. It is early Friday morning and everyone else is still asleep because we're enjoying the first few days of summer break, and I'm excited because I have the June Joyful Jordan box to share with you today, and it's another really good collection of items, so I can't wait to talk more about it with you. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. If you're brand new, welcome, and I hope you enjoy getting to see what's in the June Joyful Jordan box. The Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials, and I'll have my special link in the description down below. I am a consultant, or a Jordy as we like to call ourselves, so you can use my shopping link if you want to check it out. You can buy the box just one time if you want to just try it and see what you think. It's $29 for the box, and it's always valued at $39 or more. And you're going to get some exclusive items that are not in our regular catalog. Sometimes there's also a regular item from our catalog. Sometimes there's things in special sizes, special scents. So it's really a fun way to get to try out some of the Jordan Essentials products, which have amazing ingredients. They're good for you. They help with lots of things in our daily lives. Plus they smell wonderful and have lots of natural ingredients, and they're made in Missouri. So this is a wonderful company overall. We do have a special subscription price. So if you subscribe to the Joyful Jordan box and have it automatically shipped out to you monthly, it'll charge your card on whatever day you decide, and then you don't pay anything for shipping. So you get free shipping with the subscription, and you are totally in charge of your subscription. You can stop and start whenever you want. So it's a really fun way to get some great Bath & Body products in your hands and try some things out. So without further ado, let's take a look at this June Joyful Jordan box. So I received this a little bit early since I'm a consultant and I met the green by 15 qualifications. And as always, this is a little box of awesomeness. So each box is going to come with a card, and the card will say some sort of fun quote or maybe a Bible verse on one side. So this one says, "The promise of a summer day with my loved ones. I am joyful." And it's got that cute design with the pool and the little floaties and little botanicals there. And then on the back of the card, it's going to say what the items are and how to use them. So if you're gifting this box, that's really nice because the recipient will know just what to do with each of the great items in the box. So we have our Cute Craze Spa Polish to start things off. So this is one of our long-standing favorites. I have used this thing for years and years. It got a makeover in the spring catalog. So it used to be called our Cucumber Spa Polish Exfoliant. Now it's called Cute Craze Spa Polish Exfoliant. Same amazing product. I love it because it lathers nicely, but it also has some good natural botanical ingredients for exfoliating, like crushed walnut shells, and I think these are black walnut shells from Missouri, which I think is kind of fun too. So the description says, "Go crazy for a glowing, fresh complexion with a face polish packed with the goodness of cucumber. Leave skin soft and even-toned for summer." Something else I like about this is it's a really light, clean, fresh scent with that cucumber scent, and you can use it head to toe, including your face. So for most general skin types, this is a nice exfoliant. You can use it as little as once a month, or if your skin is good with it, you can use it weekly, but you can also use it from the neck down on your whole body. And that's what I like about it, is it's a very versatile product, and you know, the whole family can use it. I just keep one in the shower, and that way anybody can use it for face or body exfoliating. And the directions just say to apply to clean wet skin in a circular motion and rinse clean. So I really like how this feels when I apply it on a wet washcloth, and I kind of get that extra little layer of exfoliation and stimulation for your circulation. It's just an all-around great exfoliant product. All right, so to pair with that, this is something that is new and different and not in the catalog. So your Cuke Craze is currently in our catalog, but this is not. This is a cucumber melon shea body butter. So just like that classic cucumber melon scent that we've all known and loved if we were around in the 90s, this is kind of reminding me of that. So it says, dive into the lush scent of cucumber melon for hydrated summer skin. It's an all-over body lotion, so smooth it on areas that need extra attention and moisture. So this is a little 2-ounce travel size, and our shea body butters are one of my favorite moisturizers that we have. They're just so good. Boy, this one, there, that one was a little tough to get open, but I've already broken the seal because I wanted to smell this. Oh my gosh, it's not as intense as I remember some of those cucumber melon smells from years ago. This one is just a light and creamy moisturizer with that shea butter, and the scent is perfect. It's just that fresh little hint of cucumber, but it's not over the top. It's not super sweet. In fact, as I'm applying it, it's just a hint. It's so nice. I love this. So this is going to be great to have in my purse through the summer months, and just a quick little easy moisturizing touch with that light and fresh scent. So I'm really excited to have that because, like I said, that's not in our catalog. So the only way to get this is with your June Joyful Jordan box. All right, the final item is our Mineral Sun Stick, and this is one of our go-to items all summer long. So I'm gonna go ahead and break the seal because this will be one we use around our home. I usually keep like 4 or 5 of these around because we have a pool, and so anytime we have kids over swimming, then everybody grabs a stick and then gets their sunscreen applied that way. There we go. It's kind of fighting me a little bit. Okay, what's easier is just to twist it off. That's what I should have done. Okay, so this is our Mineral Sun Stick. So this has an SPF 30, and what I love is these apply nice and creamy and smooth, and this one actually seems like it has a little bit lighter formula than what I remember before. So this says it has a nice aroma. It says, a must-have when you love the sun. This solid stick allows for targeted application on the face, ears, neck, and tops of feet. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours. So this one is just such an easy way to apply, and I like that they've kind of reformulated so it's a little creamier now. And the other thing that's really nice is this does not leave that tacky, sticky feeling. Like we've used some more mineral type sunscreens before, and then it's like you can't get it off. Like we've had to use our salt scrub to be able to get it off. So this one feels much more natural. And even though it's kind of made to be a targeted sunscreen, we use it all over. So I'll take a stick like this and just apply it all over my daughter's, you know, arms and neck and back, anywhere that she's got exposed skin that we're going to be out swimming and I'm concerned about it. So this is a really good one, and I'm so glad to get another one of these because, like I said, I just keep them around all summer long, and this is a great little collection to restock my supply as we go into the summer months. So there you have it. That is everything that comes in the June Joyful Jordan box. So again, check out the links below if you want to grab one, and you can always just try one out, see what you think about some of these great products, and that can help you decide if you want to do a subscription and save on your shipping costs. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. And if you want to be part of my special VIP group on Facebook and get a chance to see the next month's Joyful Jordan box early, then be sure to follow the links to my Facebook group. And those special VIPs always get a few perks, like seeing the next month's Joyful Jordan box early. So that way, if you do have a subscription, you can decide if you want to pause your subscription for the next month. You're also going to get a chance to win one of my monthly giveaways. Plus, there's just lots of great tips and tricks, and we share lots of fun things over in that community. So I'd love to have you join us. Other than that, have a good one, enjoy your summer, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.